In this video, we will cover how to publish a form template. Before we begin, you will need to verify that your user account has either the Form Publisher or Mobile Forms Administrator roles. You will only be allowed to publish forms if you are assigned one of these roles. If you have the Mobile Forms Administrator role, you do not need the Form Publisher role. If you are not sure if you have either of these roles, contact your company admin. For more information on roles, see the Roles page. To publish a form, navigate to the Admin menu and select Form Templates. If you are updating an existing form, make sure you download the form template from this page to ensure that you are making changes to the most recent version of the form. It is also important to note that the portal keeps track of how many versions of a form have been published in the version column. This will allow you to revert the form back to a previous version if needed. To revert to a previous version, click the checkbox next to the chosen form and click the Revert button. To make use of this feature, we do not recommend deleting a form before publishing a new version. To publish a form, click on the Upload Form button. Next, select the folder in which you would like to publish the form. You are not required to use folders, but it is recommended. A form published to a specific folder will only be visible to your users who have access to that folder. A form published company-wide will be available to all users. Next, click Choose File to open your system's file browser. Select the eForm file you want to upload and click OK. Now click Upload to finish publishing the form. Now that the form template has been published to your company, all tablets or devices that are registered with your company will be able to download the newly published form template the next time the Mobile Forms app is opened, as long as the device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. If your users have any saved drafts from before you published an updated form, those drafts will be the version of the form that they originally started with, and not the new version of the form. You should expect to receive older versions of the form if your users are sending in these saved drafts. You can also publish a form directly from the Forms Designer software. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, click on the File icon and select Publish. Enter your Field2Base credentials when prompted. You can save these credentials in Forms Designer so that you do not have to provide them each time you publish a form. The first time you publish a form in Forms Designer, you will be asked to associate it with a folder in your company. Choose the folder you want to associate with the form and select OK. Once your form has been published, you will receive final confirmation, and you can view the published form on your mobile device, as well as the Form Templates page of the portal. For more information on using Forms Designer, visit the Forms Designer section of our Help Center at help.field2base.com.